Okay, welcome to Mobile Freedom Enterprise. Here we have a very cheap, inexpensive um, DAC at the digital audio interface, which you can connect to basically any item through an audio in, USB, USB-C, and it's under 30 bucks, which is amazing. And of course, a iPad connectivity. The lightning cable connectors. Here you see the standard audio. This comes with a USB-C, but you can use any cable at all. A USB-C to lightning port or lightning cable connector for any Apple product. And this is a very durable, very nice feeling metal aluminum covering. It's lightweight yet very thick, very durable. Um, it doesn't feel like you could scratch it at all because it has the corrugated aluminum. You see, so if you put it down on the table, it'll easy slide off. So you can put some pads you can stick on this, so it'll stay stable. Um, and it's just a great product. It has an internal battery which will last many many hours, as I've seen on the specs. But we'll open up uh, the instruction manual here and see exactly what the specifications are. Um, but I did test this already. The only thing that's truly lacks is the bass frequency. There you have the bass on and off. It wasn't enough to fit my needs. It did give a little bass boost, but this is fantastic for those headphones that really need high power to boost them. Because this, you barely put it on two or three, and it's just super super loud. This, you have to test out if you're one of these guys or gals who just have tons of different options for headphones. You know what I'm talking about, and you'll have to go through each one to see which one this sounds truly great with. For example, this sounded amazing with my AKGs that needed to be truly powered. What AKG was that? The K701s, I believe. Those need to be super powered. They sounded amazing with this. So let's take a look here at the. It's got your different options. Gives you little instructions on how you can connect this basically to anything. And then the specs. Excuse me. A little bit under the weather. And here we have the 16 to 5,000 ohms load impedance, and your distortion is 0.0003. It's amazing. I mean, this is beautiful. For under 30 bucks, you really really can't beat it, and it fits nicely in the pocket. Very lightweight. And just stay tuned for the next video. I want to show you the one I'm actually keeping. The beautiful thing about Amazon is you can purchase items, test them out. If you don't like them, just return them, drop them off at your local Kohl's or Whole Food Market. It's just fantastic. And this one's going back, unfortunately.